the journey ends, and true ownership of space begins. To call a superyacht a boat is like calling Buckingham Palace a house. These are floating architectural marvels, custom-built for unimaginable luxury. Picture sprawling decks, grand salons, formal dining rooms, and private cinemas. Materials, rare marbles, hand-stitched leathers, exotic woods, and bespoke art. Amenities rival the world's best resorts, wellness centers, infinity pools, and beach clubs with every water toy imaginable. Every detail is curated for seamless comfort and pleasure. Each yacht is a unique reflection of its owner's passions. Recording studios, wine cellars, basketball courts, or helipads that double as dance floors. This isn't about picking from a menu. It's about starting with a blank canvas and building a legacy. The result, not just a yacht, but a floating testament to personal vision. It's luxury, redefined as a work of art. A superyacht isn't just an escape, it's the world's most private business environment. Hidden away is a secure, soundproof office with encrypted communications and high-speed internet. Here, billion-dollar deals unfold in total seclusion. No prying eyes, no leaks, just absolute control. The entire vessel is a secure bubble managed by a crew trained for discretion. Hosting associates on board is a power move, turning business into a shared, memorable experience. The owner controls the environment, the guest list, and the flow of information. On a yacht, business is done on the owner's terms, free from outside pressures. In this world, privacy isn't a luxury, it's a strategic asset. Comparing a jet to a superyacht reveals two philosophies of luxury. A jet is about efficiency, conquering distance, saving hours, and keeping pace with global commerce. The experience is brief, functional, and measured in time saved. A yacht, by contrast, is immersive. It's not about getting somewhere, it's about being somewhere. The journey itself is the experience. Sunsets, hidden coves, days with no agenda. Privacy is deeper on a yacht. Once you leave the marina, you vanish. No borders, no observers. A jet offers temporary privacy, a yacht offers sustained, profound seclusion. The emotional impact is different. Jets give power over time, yachts give freedom over space. A jet ride is an event, a yacht voyage is a lifestyle. One asserts importance in the world, the other creates a private world. For those who've mastered being everywhere, the ultimate luxury is being perfectly nowhere. The jet serves the schedule, the yacht serves the soul. For those who can afford a superyacht, the true currency is time, privacy, and control. The world's wealthiest are often prisoners of their own success, bound by schedules and scrutiny. The superyacht is their antidote, reclaiming unstructured time and personal freedom. On board, days are measured by sunrises and tides, not meetings. It's the freedom to do nothing or anything without interruption. A yacht lets its owner curate their environment, choose their view, change their world at will. Every detail is controlled, from the pool temperature to the dinner menu. It's a kingdom of one's own making, a sanctuary of order and peace. Here, the owner isn't just a guest in the world. They're the master of their own domain. Doesn't exist. In a world of constant connectivity, true disappearance is the rarest luxury. A jet is always tethered to the grid. A yacht can sever those ties completely. With its own power, water, and provisions, a superyacht can roam the seas for months. Owners access the last wild places, remote archipelagos, untouched reefs, the farthest corners of the globe. It's not just escape, it's immersion in nature with all the comforts of home. For public figures, the yacht is a fortress of privacy. No paparazzi, no scrutiny, just family and freedom. Here they can recharge and reconnect, far from the public eye. To be unreachable is the ultimate power in a hyper-connected world. On the open ocean, the only agenda is the owner's. This is the yacht's promise, pure freedom, the final frontier of personal liberty. Seamless, and utterly private. Choosing a yacht over a jet is a statement about one's relationship with the world. The jet is for those still racing. The yacht is for those who've already won. The superyacht is the embodiment of a dream, freedom, privacy, and comfort, all in one. It's a movable kingdom, a place where time slows and family bonds deepen. The greatest luxury isn't going anywhere. It's creating your own world, anywhere you choose. For those watching from the shore, the superyacht is a symbol of possibility and aspiration. The jet may conquer the sky, but the yacht commands the sea, and with it, mastery over time, space, and self. When the titans of our age seek their ultimate reward, they choose the endless open water.
Subscribe now.